How to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll figure out if there is a way to recall mail in your Outlook mobile app. So let's get started. First, search for your Outlook app. After you find it, open it up. Now to recall a mail, first you'll need to find the mails that you have sent. To do that, tap on your profile on the top left. After you've done that, tap on send and load your conversations. Now just open one up. Now to recall the mail, tap on the three dots on the top right. Now here you will notice there is no option to recall the mail. This is because the mobile app simply lacks the option of recalling mail in Outlook. And I hope this answers your question. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.